Yudhishthira and the Yaksha. Nakula didn't return, so Sahadeva went to look for him. He met the same fate. One by one, all the brothers went and never came back. Finally, Yudhishthira went looking and found them all lying dead beside the pool. He wondered if it contained poisoned water. A Yaksha, a person with magical powers, emerged from the pool. Do not drink the water till you answer my questions. Your brothers drank the water without answering them. That's why they are dead, said the Yaksha. Yudhishthira agreed and said he would drink the water of the pool only if the Yaksha was satisfied with his answers. Then, as the Yaksha asked each question, Yudhishthira answered them thoughtfully and patiently. The questions were about life and were tricky. Only a person who was wise and thoughtful could answer them correctly. The Yaksha's questions. The Yaksha began by asking simple questions and then more difficult ones. Yaksha: who makes the sun rise and who makes it set? Yudhishthira: Brahma makes it rise and Dharma makes it set. Yaksha: who is a man's real companion? Yudhishthira: his wife. Yaksha: who is his true friend? Yudhishthira: patience. Yaksha: how does one get something really great? Yudhishthira: through tapa, meditation and austerities. Yaksha: what is the best happiness? Yudhishthira: contentment. Yaksha: what is knowledge? Yudhishthira: knowing God. Yaksha: what is ignorance? Yudhishthira: not knowing one's duty. Yaksha: what is faster than the wind? Yudhishthira thought. The Yaksha's boon. When the pleased Yaksha offered to give him a boon of the life of his dead brothers, he asked for Nakula's life. The Yaksha wondered why he asked for the life of his stepbrother. Yudhishthira said he was Kunti's son, so it was only right that one of Madri's sons should live. Impressed, the Yaksha brought all the brothers to life. Yudhishthira was overjoyed. He bowed to the Yaksha, who transformed himself into Dharmaraj or Yama, the god of death. He told Yudhishthira to ask for 2 more boons. First, Yudhishthira asked that the igniting sticks of the Brahmana should be found. Dharmaraj smilingly gave the sticks, as he had been the stag who caused the whole incident. Then Yudhishthira asked that the Pandavas might be hidden safely during the 13th year of exile. Yama asked the Pandavas to go to Viratanagar for the last year of their exile. Choosing disguises. The Pandavas decided to spend the 13th year in the disguise at the palace of Virata, the king of Matsya. Yudhishthira would be Kanka, a learned courtier playing dice with the king and discussing politics, scriptures and ethics. Bhima would be Vallabha, a cook, and once in a while have wrestling matches to entertain the king. Nakula, as Dharma Granthi, would train and look after the horses in the king's stables. Sahadeva, as Tantripala, would care for the king's cattle, protecting them from disease and attacks of thieves. Urvashi, a divine Apsara in Indra's court, had wanted to marry Arjuna. When he refused, she cursed him to turn into a eunuch. Through Indra's grace, the curse was reduced to 1 year when he chose. So, now he would become Brihanala, a eunuch teaching music and dance to Princess Uttara and other ladies. Draupadi would be Malini, a Sairandri, Queen Sudeshna's companion and attendant.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.